Okay, good morning. You're welcome to today's tutorial video on a Stocksavi Inventory Management Software. We're putting you through on various advantages that you stand to gain while using the Stocksavi Inventory Management Software. Alright, for those of you that may still be asking what Stocksavi is all about, Stocksavi is an inventory management software that keeps you abreast and updated concerning stock, store, and warehouse. Your stock per se, your store and your warehouse, everything that you may need to know, or whatever it is that may be happening around you, around your business. The Stocksavi helps you put all of them together. Alright, today we'll be looking at something that is very important concerning your stock. Like, it helps you, the Stocksavi helps you to be able to update quantity of your stock in case of a scenario whereby you have done a physical count and there is a discrepancy. Stocksavi is what helps you to align those stock properly. Okay, so let's get to it. Before we go, do not forget to like, comment, and share, and also click the notification button so you can be notified when next will come online. Alright, let's go. Alright, enter the username already, and this is the password. You enter the password. Alright, so we want to treat stock movement and stock transfer. Alright, moving your store to, like, updating your stock vis-a-vis what you have physically. Maybe you had a staff that was working with you before and he or she did not do a proper recording when stock was delivered. Alright, so and you've delivered it, you've seen that there's a discrepancy. What do? You come to your Stocksavi, you click on stock adjustments like this. Alright, then you add adjustments. Okay, from where? Location type is from the store, for example, or let's from the store. Alright, which of the stores, either of your stores, whichever one that there is a discrepancy. Alright, so which products is it that there's a discrepancy in it? You now go, let's say, for example, let's say this product. Okay, after clicking on the product, say, okay, when the product was brought, what was supplied was actually 120, and they gave us, and this person recorded 100. Okay, so what do? You come here, add 20, increase. If you're reducing, you click on decrease. Maybe it was not up to that, but it's increase. So what we're expecting was 120, but what was recorded for was 20. Maybe at the point of supply did not supply the complete goods from the manufacturer side or whatever. Alright, so we include the reason here. The manufacturer just supplied the additional quantity as they did not have it before, but they did not have up to what was required. Alright, so we click on submit. You see what I had before was 100, now I've added 20 to it in that store. Okay, so let's go and check that store now. Let's check for that product. You see that in that store what we'll have will be different. Let's come here, let's go to the POS, check the store, it's part A light store, search for the product. What is the product name? That's it. Our shots, you can see what you have here is 120 pieces. Okay, as against the 100 that you have before, so it has been updated. Alright, so that's it. Do not forget to like, comment, and share, and also click the notification button so you can be notified whenever we come online. Bye for now. See you in our next tutorial video, and also come on board our Stocksavi Inventory Management Software, and I'm sure you would enjoy being there to give you value for your money. Take care. Bye for now.